Early autumn marks a peak feeding time for pests as they take on food before winter, and with the present soil temperatures and as autumn is generally one of the most settled seasons, it's likely that this will be again the case for this year. This means that early identification is key to a successful treatment, as treating pests at early stages of development will allow for the best level of control. Maintaining strong grass roots is a major factor in allowing the plant to take on water and nutrients, so pests such as chafer grubs and leatherjackets that eat on the roots will become a major problem if left untreated, as the grasses will become heavily stressed with a rapid deterioration in plant quality and an unstable lawn surface. Treatment of turf pests are undertaken using a biological treatment of nematodes. Timing is crucial, so apply when the grubs are small and close to the surface, and check soil temperatures before the application, as soil temperatures under 12 degrees Celsius will prevent the nematodes from being active. You must ensure the soil is moist, and moisture needs to be available for at least 2 weeks after the application. Also, it's beneficial to mow prior to the application to allow a more direct passage of the nematodes into the soil profile. The application is best completed in the early morning, late afternoon or evening to avoid direct sunlight, as the nematodes can be killed by overexposure to UV light, and be mindful that a thatch layer can protect pests, shielding them from treatments, so scarification beforehand and the removal of the thatch layer not only increases the quality of the treatment, it also removes part of the food source.